couch, dogs, me, guitar lessons. Hey there, LickNRiffers! Welcome back to yet another awesome fingerstyle arrangement here on LickNRiff, and this time it's Wicked Game, the classic Isaak song. And I'm gonna play it for you first so you can see in here how it goes. Then we're gonna break it down note by note, chord by chord with tab right here on the screen. Goes like this. Enjoy. Alright, so you have to start with a bend. Okay, and then you play B minor. Okay, so you bend 3 on the 3rd string. Okay, I did a little tuning trick, but I'm going to talk about it in a second. Okay, you play 3 on the 3rd string, you bend it really, really slowly. Okay, and then you play B minor. Okay, strings 1, 2, 3, and 5. And then you slap your arpeggiate, okay, you create a rhythm, okay, but if you want to try the tuning trick, I have to confess that little tuning peg trick at the beginning took me 1,000 takes to nail, because it's really, really difficult, even if you have perfect pitch, to tune it exactly right if you do a bend, okay, because it's confusing the ear, and it's really difficult to nail. You need to have specialized tuning pegs, okay, in order to do that trick. There's a guitar player called Adrian Legg who does that a lot. It's amazing. He's an incredible player, and he uses specialized tuning pegs. Okay, that was what I did at the beginning. Okay, it was just, you know, for showing off, just to show you that it's possible, but it took me a while to do it because it's really hard to nail it to the exact right pitch. Okay, so bend 3 on the 3rd string, and then play B minor. Then you play A, you play the A bass, or an arpeggio, and then you have Okay, the open E string, you can do a rake sort of thing, a quick arpeggio, okay, and then 3-2 on the second string, and then E, okay, with the second string as your melody notes. So it's if you want to play the whole chord, it's strings 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, so it's B minor, okay, A, and then E string, 3-2-0 on the B string into E. And then you have the first guitar lick. Okay, it's 2 on the fourth, 2 on the third, 2 on the fourth, 1 on the third, which is, okay, it's E sus4 and E. Okay, so you do it again. Okay, you don't bend the second time around. B minor, A, and then E. Okay, and then you have the actual guitar riff. The whole song, it's the same chord progression, B minor, A, and E. And, okay, B minor, you play the 5th string and then strings 1, 2, 3. Then you lift the bar from the E string, from the 1st string, and you play the open E string, 3 on the B string. And then you have 2 on the 2nd string, and then you have A sus2, which is A with the open 2nd string. You play the chord, okay, the 2nd string with the 5th string, okay, that's the important notes, okay, but you can play the whole chord. And then you play the 3rd string on 2, and then the open 2nd string twice more, okay, so, okay, you can do the 2-0 along with A, okay, and then you have, okay, the same guitar lick that you played on E before, but you do it while A is still playing. You play the 2s on strings 4, 3, 4, and then you play 1 on the 3rd string with E. So I play strings 3, 4, and 6. Okay, so it's... And then you have the second guitar lick, okay, which is 1 and 2 on strings 3 and 4. And then 2 and 4, and then 2 and 4 slide to 4 and 6 with the bass. Okay, so that's the riff: B minor, A sus2, and then the first lick into E, and then the second lick, and then again. Okay. The dog keeps going back and forth. She doesn't know whether she wants to go or to stay. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the... Okay, if you can hear her clicking her fingernails on her paw nails on the floor. Alright, okay, then you put on B minor again for the verse, and you start with 4 on the 3rd string. Okay, you can harmonize with the lower string all the time. And then it's 2, 3 on the 2nd. And then 2 on the E string. So it's... Okay. Okay, with groove. And then you have A. Okay, you have A. I harmonize the whole way through. Okay, it's the open E string. Okay, 3, 2, 3, 2, 0 on the 2nd string, and then the open 2nd string again with E. Okay, so it's... Okay, and then the first guitar lick again. Okay, on E. So, you play this twice. B minor. A. E, lick. You do it twice, and then the second line, which you play twice again, is this. Okay, so it's a bar on 7, and you put 10 on the 1st string. Okay, then you play strings 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, and it's just 10s on the 1st string, so you can play the whole chord. And then it's 9, 9 on strings 1 and 3 with A. So it's... Okay, you play A with the second 9. Okay, and then it's 7, 7, on strings 1 and 3, and then it's 5 and 6, okay? And then you go back up. Okay, it's 5 and 6, 7, 7, 9 and 9. Okay, so it's and then you have E. Okay, which is 7 and 9 on strings 1 and 2 with the 6th string. Okay, so A, and okay, I was gonna play the B minor again. Okay, 7 and 9 on strings 1 and 2 with E, and then okay, you play the sus line again, but here you play 9, 10, 9, 9 on strings 3 and 2. Okay, 9 and 10, and then 9 and 9 on strings 3, 2, 3, 2. And then you repeat it. And the chorus. Okay? B minor with 2 on the E string. And then A, just the open E string. And then, okay? It's kind of like the verse. It's exactly the same. 3, 2, 3, 2, 0 on the 2nd string into E. So, okay, you can play 4 on the 3rd string or the open 2nd string if you like. So, and then the open 2nd string, B minor, A, and then E at the end with the open 2nd string, 3, 2, 3, 2, and E, and then okay, and then the second guitar lick from the intro. She keeps going back and forth. Can you hear her? Okay, she likes being a star on LickNRiff, but for some reason she went away and now she wants to come back, and she's just standing there looking at me. And there she goes. Then you play it again. Okay, and then the second lick, and then 2 on the 2nd string, 4 on the 3rd, with you. Okay, I wanna fall in love with you. Okay, 2 on the 2nd, 4 on the 3rd, back to B minor. So the 4 on the 3rd is the little finger again. Okay, so you bar, okay, for 2, and 4 on the 3rd string is the A minor shape. And this is one of the best guitar riffs ever. Really, it's so underrated. This is a brilliant, brilliant guitar riff. In my opinion. So you play the guitar riff again. Then you have the bridge. Same chords. You play B minor, you play the bass, then you play 4, 4 on the 3rd, 2 on the 2nd. Okay, and then you have A with, okay, 3, 2, 0 on the 2nd, 2 on the 3rd. So A, okay, so. And then you have E, you play the bass. Okay, it's 1, 1, 2 on the 3rd, 2, 0 on the 2nd, 2, 1 on the 3rd. And then you have B minor again. Okay, but instead of 3 with A, you play just the E string 3 times. And then the 2nd string, so. And then you have E. That's it. Just the E string, okay, with the chord. And then I hammer on the 2, and then open the E string again. And then 3, 0 on the 2nd string. And then you go back to the chorus. Twice, and then the riff, and you finish with the first line of the verse. And you let it ring. It's so beautiful. Go download the tab from the website. It's free. The link is below in the description. While you're there, take a look at my Complete Guitar Freedom course series. and download the tab. And there's also a Patreon link in the description if you want to give anything back to LickNRiff. Everything goes right back to making your free guitar lessons and guitar education here on LickNRiff. So thank you very much for any pledge you choose to make. Go download the tab, check out the courses, and I'll see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.